We're going to show you how to change the network from a 2.4 GHz to a 5 GHz network. We would recommend that you do a restore network settings. You may need to do this if you have changed your internet service provider, which has given you a router that supports both 2.4 and 5 GHz. This will be done on the HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 printer, one of the few printers from HP that supports the 5 GHz wireless network. From the control panel, swipe down and select wireless. As you can see, the printer is currently connected to a 2.4 GHz network. Let's change that to a 5 GHz wireless network. Let's go to Settings. Under Settings, scroll up and you will see an option for Restore Network Settings. Select that. We will restore the network settings. Select Yes. So the network defaults have been restored. Next, let's go to Wireless Settings. In order to connect to the 5 GHz band network, scroll up and ensure that the 5 GHz band frequency is turned on. If it is turned off, you may want to turn it on. For now, since it is turned on, let's scroll up until you see the option for Wireless Setup Wizard. You can see that it has found our 5 GHz network, which is Technology Tips 5 GHz. Let's select that. We need to enter the Wi-Fi password. Once the password is entered, you need to select OK. The connection is successful, and you can see that it is now connected to our 5 GHz network. So this is how you change a network from 2.4 GHz to a 5 GHz wireless network.